Meow meow, welcome. This is Cute Meows. Laughter, sweetness, and lots of cat love are waiting for you. Let's watch.
I guess hungry?
I came in like a
Oh boy, I've been waiting for this.
过来，我
Bye. Bye. Psycho killer, if you say run away.
Are you okay? It's okay. It's okay. I just got a haircut. I want to pet. What? Another.
Nobody. Nobody. Alright, Carrot. No more.
Raggy! Stop!
tell me if I could.
Didn't find my cat Totoro, but saw my kitten Gigi staring at this cabinet.
Water. What even is water? Water is so mysterious. My thirst for knowledge will never be quenched.
Are you kidding me?
Have you ever just looked at someone and say, so this is what love looks like?
I just want everyone to know that before Loki steals snacks, he comes over here to check to see if I'm watching him. Loki!
Enough is never enough.
Pet Math is thinking scratching the side of the litter box will somehow cover up the stinkiest poo of your entire cat life.
Dude, Kevin, when'd you get a mohawk? You look sick. Kevin with the mohawk? Yeah, let me get it from the side. Kevin. Oh my gosh, Kevin, you looking fresh, man.
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl?
You are joking me. He goes up so quick. Stop! He's chomping it.
He wants that stuff.
He wants to start, so it's all he wants. He's getting it. Stop. Release your grip, cat. I took the office. Stop. Stop the whole trip.
Barbecue chicken alert! Barbecue chicken alert!
This is not your home.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. Yo, check this out.
Mana.
Don't go into the light.
Y por eso es que la masa tiene esa textura.
Would be a really good place for us to start our deep dive. And so I'd like you to write
What?
Congratulations. You'll be joining Shirley.
What the fuck?
Kitty, you can has cheeseburger.
You're about to fall. What are you doing in there? Watch out. Watch out. You're gonna fall. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dixie, are you okay? Get out. What the heck? Are you okay? Are you
Burger for my cat? Yeah, for 2 pieces.